In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Amazon. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a seamless connection between your Printify account and your Amazon seller account can open up a whole new world of opportunities for your online business. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to have both a Printify account and an Amazon seller account. If you haven't set those up yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you've got those set, you can move forward with the steps to connect them. Start by logging into your Printify account. You'll be greeted by the dashboard, which is your command center for product creation and order management. From here, look for the Manage My Stores option. This is usually found in the Account menu. Click on it, and you'll be able to see any stores you've already connected to Printify. But don't worry if this is your first time. We're going to add your Amazon store now. Finding the option to connect to Amazon can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Locate the button that says Connect or Add New Store and click on it. You should see several platform options, including Amazon. Go ahead and select Amazon. At this point, Printify will ask for certain permissions to connect to your Amazon account. Make sure you understand what information Printify will access. It's essential to grant the right permissions for the connection to work properly. Click through the prompts to allow Printify access. You will need to enter some information from your Amazon seller account, such as your credentials. If you can't remember them, it might be a good idea to reset your password before continuing. Enter the required information and watch for any alerts or confirmation messages that pop up. They're helpful indicators of whether you're on the right track. After entering your credentials, look out for a Connect or Authorize button. Click that, and then you should see a confirmation message indicating that your Amazon account has been successfully connected to Printify. This part can take a bit of time depending on your internet speed or how busy Printify's servers are, so be patient. Once you have that connection set up, the next step is to import your products. Navigate back to the Printify dashboard and select the My Products option. From there, you'll want to click on Add Product. This allows you to choose the type of products you want to sell, whether that's t-shirts, mugs, or any other print-on-demand item. Follow the prompts to design your product. You'll be able to add images, descriptions, and set your pricing. This is where you get to unleash your creativity. Once you've created a product and are happy with how it looks, make sure to choose that it's available for your Amazon store. When you're satisfied with your product setup, click Publish or Save Product. Printify will begin the process of listing your items on your Amazon store. Depending on how many products you've created, this may take a bit. Now it's crucial to double-check your listings on Amazon. Go to your Amazon seller account and navigate to the Manage Inventory section. You should see all the products you just listed from Printify. Take a moment to verify the details. Check the titles, descriptions, and pricing. You want to ensure everything is correct so your potential customers have the best experience. After confirming your products look great on Amazon, don't forget to actively promote your new listings. Share them on your social media, or consider running promotions to attract more customers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to connect Printify to Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another topic you want me to cover. Happy selling!